Welcome to Coding Cloud. Today in this quick video, I'll be introducing you to one of the most popular Python libraries for data analysis, that is Pandas. I am Nikshita, and in next few minutes you will learn how to get started with Pandas and why it's such a powerful tool. To know that, let us dive into the video. First one, what is Pandas? It's a Python library used for data manipulation and analytics. It lets you work with tabular data like spreadsheets or SQL tables using structures called data frames and series. It is a must-known tool in data science and analytics. So coming to the advantages of Pandas, it's easy to learn, fast to use and saves lots of time. You can clean messy data, analyze large data sets and even prepare data for machine learning, all using just a few lines of code. It is built-in function for filtering, sorting and summarizing. It is widely used in real-world data projects. Coming to the key functions. Key functions topic is very important in Pandas because these functions will help you to understand and to manage large data sets very easily. Let us know how. Coming to the first key function we have, that is read CSV. This function is used to import data from a CSV file. It creates a data frame which is like a table with rows and columns. The next key function we have is head. Head helps us view the first few rows of data. It's a good way to get a quick look at what we are working with. The next key function we have is describe. As the word says, it summarizes data like mean, minimum, maximum, standard deviation, etc. This function is great for understanding the distribution and spread of the data. Coming to the next key function, that is LOC, commonly known as lock. This function is used to access specific rows or filter the rows based on the condition. The next function we have is sort values. The purpose of sort values is to sort the value either in ascending order or in descending order. The next key function we have is value count. The purpose is to count how many times each unique value appeared in a column. Now, I hope you all understood each function theoretically. Let us do this practically. Now let's see how each key functions work individually. But before that, let us see how to install Pandas. For that, open your Windows, go to the command prompt and enter pip install pandas to install Pandas successfully on your device. If you face any kind of error while executing the program, just don't worry. Again, come to the command prompt and type python -m pip install pandas and it will help you to overcome your error. I hope you understood how to install Pandas. Now coming to the code. First, we have to import Pandas. To access all the features available in Pandas, I have given it a nickname as PD. Then coming to the first key function we have, that is read CSV. The syntax of read CSV is PD, that is pandas.readcsv, and the file name. In this file, I have stored particular student name, their subject and the maximum marks they got. Okay, so all these details will be stored in DF, that is data frame. Let's see how data frame looks. Data frame means it actually aligned us in a form of a table with rows and columns. Here you can see I have got properly aligned table. This is how data frame works. Okay, so this is the purpose of read CSV file. Now the next key function we have, that is head. The syntax of head is df.head. I just want to have quick glance of 5 rows. How can I do it? With the help of head key function. I can have a quick glance of the rows that I want to see, and this is how my first 5 rows looks, and head helps me to have a quick glance of it. Now let's see the third key function, and that is describe. The purpose of describe is to give a summarized data, and the syntax of describe is df.describe. So let's see how this works. Here you can see I got summarized data of my marks in, and it has divided them in different categories, that is minimum, maximum, count, etc. And this is how describe works. The next key function I have is loc or lock, which helps me to access a particular row. For that, the syntax is df.loc, or you can also call it as lock, with square brackets in which I have to write the index number. And as I want to access third row, I have written the index number 2. Now let's see how the code output looks. Here you can see the third row, I got the student details of the particular person who was present on the third row, that is Charlie, with the subject and the marks he obtained. This is the purpose of using LOC. Now coming to the next key function we have, that is sort values, which sort the values in ascending or descending order. The syntax is df.sort values. I want to sort marks in descending order. That's why I've given ascending as false. Here you can see I have sorted my marks in descending order. Coming to the last key function we have, that is value count. The purpose of value count is to give me the individual data. I want to see how many people have got maximum mark in which subject. For that, the syntax is df, and square brackets I'm mentioning subject dot value count. So here you can see max 2 people got highest marks, science again 2. I hope you all have understood key functions topic theoretically as well as practically. But still, if you have any kind of doubt, don't hesitate. Just drop your doubt in the comment section. I will answer all your doubts. Thank you for watching this video on Coding Cloud. If it helped you, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one. Until then, bye.